Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. My name is Afsafat. Assalamualaikum friends. My name is Malia. Welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna make a DIY from these beads and it has in our house. In our house, like house. So we're making half house. Guys, show me you can make it rings, necklaces, and many much more. It has apple, crown, and a lot of things more. Open it fast so I can see the design, the whole design. Oh wow, so cute! Wire. Wait. Okay, wire. There's a wire. Oh, mini apples. Here you go. Wires and there are roses inside. Mom, can I take it out? Oh.
Let me check. No, don't mess them.
इससे क्या होगा?
They put every design separately.
Wait.
So you have to decide first what you are going to make.
I'm gonna make bracelet for Maliha. I'm gonna make necklace for Afsa.
You should both make
Bracelets.
bracelet for each other.
Let's open it. Yay!
Let me check the wire. How long
I want
it
the
is.
apples. Those are so cute, Mama. Aww.
It's too big. It's
I
too.
wanna eat this.
It's too big.
Dozens of apples. What?
It is
It is getting longer and longer.
Yes, it is too big.
It's like rubber. Oh, we need scissors.
Yeah, there it is. This thing. No, don't stretch too much. It will break.
You normally bracelets
Okay.
होते हैं ना वो ऐसी kind of material आया से. Let's start making. Mama, but
No.
we need scissors. Guys, we have this was for bracelet, so we have saved it for later. And now I'm gonna make what? I wanna make from this. I'm gonna take a flower in the center.
First, you have to decide what you are keeping in the center.
Apple.
You are keeping apple. Yeah, so beautiful apples.
Should I start?
Yeah, you can.
Blue, but and after so I'm just gonna make.
Okay, you are using the whole apples in the center. How many you are taking? Malia is taking what?
I want one more blue bus.
Okay, you took this.
We're making necklaces. It's so lovely, guys. Guys, जो चीज़ आपको सबसे अच्छी लगे ना, मैं आपको उसकी तरह एक दिल बना के दूँगी. ये मेरा जो दिल है ना, वो खासकर प्यार में है ना, आपके लिए ही खो जाए मैंने. Guys, ये देखो मैंने एक ये वाला फ्लावर लेना है.
It's
a piece.
okay. I'm checking it. Guys,
I'm also gonna take crowns.
Malia chose these crowns for her.
I don't have any purple. Okay, it's alright. अच्छा इन्होंने कुछ कलर ऐसे भी दिए हुए जो एक ही के. White. अब मुझे एक पिंक क्राउन. White बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं कंट्रास्ट में. White and white blue pink है ना? सच्ची?
The downwards, so you have to put something like downward.
Okay, Mama.
Are these one?
Cute.
Are these?
Mama, then I'm gonna put these little. I'm gonna take pink.
हाँ, beautiful भी तो लगे ना. अब like Maliha took these crowns, तो Maliha ले सकती हैं.
I'm gonna take white and baby pink. No white, no. My theme is guys, ये पास्ता गिरा rolled है. Wow,
Please don't eat them. And stay away from the kids. Malia have chose all these.
मामा आपको सिर्फ अभी मना करता है. ऐसा हो तो सकता है कि मैं सपने में खा जाऊँ. I will choose my.
Did you select all?
This looks this looking so beautiful.
It is looking very beautiful.
Will this be good in contrast? I am surprised by my
You can
own
use it.
self.
It is out of your theme.
Contrast.
No, it is not
Upside?
in your theme because you
Upside,
have
so you need to
pink
put-
and blue, pink and blue, pink and blue, and certainly the dark pink. No,
Okay.
you cannot use
You can
this
only
one.
use baby pink thing. Blue and again
Baby
I'm
pink,
gonna put this
Baby
one
pink
pink.
is also good.
Huh. You can complete one side first, then the other side.
Mama,
I'm feeling very much happy. It looks like that. I feel that I'm a professional.
Oh.
I will wear it a lot because this is made by me. Still, I'm a little girl. I cannot
who
believe
said?
that thing.
Who said you are a little girl?
Then I'm gonna wear this necklace
You are a big
lot because it is made by me.
blob.
Big. Oh. This
It's still lots of
I
things are
forgot
in
to
it.
put. We'll use it in bracelets.
Okay, guys, I'm so surprised.
You just take two colors. That is why you are feeling difficulty. It is going to be.
I need to put.
Now I'm put these. I'm not
I need
too
dark
blue.
pink and
I feel
so
it.
many
It
things I
should
have
be
to
here.
put.
Then it should be the outside.
I was trying to make it, but the string broke. And I was confused that how to make. So I started again and I was really stressed. And soon after I changed my idea also. So watch it carefully that what I changed in it in my necklace. I love the blue color and pink color. So I started my necklace with that. Because my favorite color is blue and pink, and mom's and Maliha's is also blue, not pink, but I like these colors. Also white. I like all the colors. But if you like my necklace, so please subscribe, like and share, and see the next necklace I made it. So you can see that what I did the changed. As you can see, I have one blue color in big flowers, roses and apples. I have pink in all those as well. I have dark pink one, I think so, and light pink also. I have two pink colors, light and dark, but in blue I have only one. When I take out that little sprinkles, and also
The girl has empty her whole roll. Her roll.
I'm so carefully doing
Okay, I'm now going to destroy her.
No, Mama, no. This is for my sister.
I'm giving you good ideas.
Mom, then when I'm gonna make necklace, I want the purple and purple. Oh, purple and you'll make. Guys, I have decided to change my pattern cause
It is now.
now I'm gonna make like apple and then two
Two star-
flowers
flowers
and
is
then
star.
again one apple and again two.
Okay. And Malia is going to.
Mom, listen.
Yeah.
Green yellow or green yellow.
It's depend on you. दोनों कंट्रास्ट अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
Yellow.
हाँ.
Mama, look at my ninja. It's gonna be so beautiful. Guys, देखिए मेरा कितना अच्छा है. It looks so beautiful.
Malia is super excited. अभी थोड़ा सा और होता है.
White, pink, white, dark pink, light blue, baby pink.
And the other person is also busy almost. वो भी आधे रास्ते पे. My labor is doing work. My beautiful daughter is making her necklace. She did really very hard work.
अच्छे में पहले मैंने निकाला क्योंकि पहले तक.
हाँ जी, अब आपको कदर होगी ना. ऐसे आप ज्वेलरी इधर उधर रख देते हो. अब कभी नहीं रखोगे.
नहीं मम्मा मैं रख
You can imagine how people are hard working. आपने तो
अब
देखो।
रियलाइज हुआ है जब हम कर रहे हैं।
हाँ ना, एक एक चीज को
और हम तो आसानी से तोड़ लेते हैं, वो लोग तो कितनी मेहनत करते होंगे कि मोती वहाँ का देख के ढूंढ रहे होते हैं।
और अपने माइंड में पहले वो उन लोगों को चीज़ों को सोचते हैं कि हमें क्या बनाना है. The job is done.
Finally, our necklaces are ready.
Box is empty. And
One box is only.
how excited, mashallah.
अब मेरे पास सबसे सारे एप्पल्स ले लिए।
Maliha.
ये 3 एप्पल।
Which one is your?
मुझे ये
This one is Maliha.
This is yours.
Yes, and this is Afsa Fatma. Yes, thank you.
Wait, I have a necklace just like this, and same flowers are in this. Oh, I noticed now. What? Subscribe, like, share, like our necklaces. Friends, if you like our this hard work, so please like, share, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz. Guys, today I have realized that so many workers do really hard work. Yeah, and we think like just machines do.
So, what is the moral of this making of these necklaces?
I realize
How people?
work hard for anyone else.
So we should respect the people who are doing these small jobs. We should respect them.
We
Ne-
should respect them.
Yes. When next
I'm
time,
tired.
when next time you are buying,
Then next time when you buy these things, respect and be careful.
yes, and keep them safe. Use them a lots of time because
So
people are doing so much
guys,
hard work.
देखिए यहाँ पे हमारा भी कितना सारा हुआ है, मतलब कितनी सारी चीजें लेफ्ट हुई है।
और they are feeling hard.
सबसे ज्यादा हमने रोज कम यूज किए और ये
Yes.
तो हमने बहुत कम किए हैं।
And
Like, ये इतने ज्यादा। We should do respect on those people who made this for us. Yeah. And Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Like, share,